I'm Cheri Larson, CIO of Charlie's Produce.
Hi, I'm Prashant Ganjikunta. I head up the enterprise applications at Charlie's Produce.
Charlie's Produce is a distributor up and down the West Coast. We're in multiple states, and we're the largest independent wholesale produce distributor.
Previous to Cleo, a lot of our orders basically used to come in through Excel sheets and various other mechanisms. And there was a lot of manual interaction to basically get the orders into our system so that we can ship them out.
Prior to Cleo, we had not a dedicated EDI person, and so EDI projects were just coming in. There was kind of a side job, and we were getting it done as we could.
We've been using Cleo for the last 10 years. Since we've had Cleo, all of the manual processes have been automated. So all the ordering process has been automated, and a lot of manual efforts have been reduced. Using Cleo, year-over-year EDI transactions went up by 28%.
Cleo does managed services for us, so we are able to have a variety of skill sets on our team, and then they can work with Cleo to onboard and do the mapping. And Cleo's managed service team is just another arm of our team.
For us, supply chain orchestration means when the customer places the order to the point where how is it being supplied, where we are buying it from, having that end-to-end visibility, where basically we are able to tell the customer, hey, this is when we are getting the order from the vendor, and this is when you will be able to get the order, and making sure that the entire process is seamless with set expectations and with the least amount of manual intervention.
Cleo's adding a lot of AI capabilities that will help us eliminate a lot of manual processes. Cleo has helped our team from just being behind the scenes and now being a front and center participant with our board and with our customers and with our vendors. Cleo is a value-added service for us, so it's a vendor that I know is a good partner, and it doesn't make me lose sleep at night. I know our orders are going to come in, our orders are going to ship, our POs are going to go out, and we can rely on Cleo.